Hi, this is Shibani and you're watching me on Femina.in. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. It was actually an incredibly surreal moment. I feel like I've been on this journey with Payal for the last 20 years. She's grown so much as a designer, she's grown as a person, we've grown as friends, and to be here for this supremely important moment in her life, to mark this incredible moment in her journey, and to be asked to walk for this very moment was such an honor. And just when the music started playing, I literally felt goosebumps and chills, because I mean, when you walk for designers that you may know through work or just being a part of the industry, it's different when you're walking for somebody who is one of your closest friends and has just been on a journey with you for the last 20 years, and you have such an incredible bond. To be there for that person in this moment, I mean, I can't explain the moment. You can't put it into words. It was just electric. Wash your face every single night, hydrate it with lots of oils and creams that are good for your skin, and drink Skin-Aid. It is the best thing ever, trust me. Yeah, I'm not a home remedy kind of girl. I need it to come in a jar and just, less is more. So the Kevin Aqua, it's a eye gel. It's like an eyeshadow gel type thing. A Cora Rose Quartz highlighter, which I put on my cheeks. And I would have to say, what is that? Lipstick Queen lip stain. Best beauty purchase, Skin-Aid. I mean, I don't know if it's the worst beauty advice, but I put on those lashes for a while. Those lash extension things? So awful. That was, it was not terrible advice, but I tried it. Your personality. If you're going to follow trends, make sure that they work for you and your style aesthetic, and always, always be comfortable in what you're wearing. Own it. Your attitude. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more updates, keep following Femina.in.